please always remember this, that when you invest in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, you are not investing it as a medium of exchange. You are investing in the technology. You are investing it as a store of value. You are investing in digital property. That's what cryptocurrencies are. That's what Bitcoin is. China has banned Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies once again. Today, I want to share my insights about it. But you know what's very, very interesting, especially for those who have been in the cryptocurrency markets for quite some time already? China has been banning cryptocurrencies every single year. So please do remember this, that from now, 2021, and over the next few years, you would see this over and over and over and over. You would see that as a narrative, that over and over, that they will try their best to ban and create as much fear, uncertainty, and doubt toward Bitcoin. Please do remember that the drop that we had somewhere April and May 2021 was mainly because they banned crypto mining, which in my opinion is very good for Bitcoin in general, for Bitcoin to progress in the future, because what it actually did was there were a lot of miners in China. And the thing about that is this: it somehow concentrated a lot of the mining in that particular area. Banning the mining of Bitcoin in China pushed Bitcoin mining to be decentralized even more. It pushed Bitcoin mining that we have a lot of Bitcoin miners moving into Western shores, moving outside China. True, the hash rate actually went down, but if you've been tracking it over the past few months, we've been seeing hash rates steadily start to go up again and actually get better, which is showing us that, hey, miners are actually going out. Miners are actually setting up shop elsewhere. Please do remember this, that China has been banning Bitcoin every single year, but if you look at it, it only brings the price down. It causes price action downward. But here's the thing: every time they try to ban Bitcoin, if you've noticed it, adoption is getting bigger, better, and stronger. If you notice it also, there's actually more people using Bitcoin wallets right now than ever before. This has been happening every single year. So why am I saying this? One of the things that causes people to get scared is when they see news items like that. And true enough, China is one of the largest economies in the world. What China does creates an onslaught of sentiment in not just the capital market, but also the crypto market as well. But here's what you need to remember. Aside from adoption, aside from more and more people using Bitcoin more than ever, please do remember this, that whatever is thrown out there, whatever fear, uncertainty, and doubt that's thrown out there, it doesn't change the technology of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Whatever is thrown out there, it just brings prices down if it's negative, but it doesn't change the technology. Please always remember this, that when you invest in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, you are not investing it as a medium of exchange. You are investing in the technology. You are investing it as a store of value. You are investing in digital property. That's what cryptocurrencies are. That's what Bitcoin is. And all of this news that you see does not change any of its value. Now, why am I saying this? If you are a long-term investor, you are a hodler, you are a person who believes in its technology, then why should you be scared? Why should this drop be an avenue for you to be fearful? They've been doing this over and over, but if you notice it, for you to be able to shut down Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is decentralized, there's no central authority who owns Bitcoin. The only way for you to shut down Bitcoin is you shut down the internet. And it's not possible. China has been doing this over and over and over and over. But one thing has been sure, nothing has happened in order for Bitcoin to be stopped. It has been growing and it has become even bigger, better, and stronger. The past few days, I saw it on Twitter. Lightning Network is a layer 2 scaling solution that allows Bitcoin to be transacted in a faster way that's off-chain. And what's interesting about that is this. So Lightning makes transfers of Bitcoin not just faster, but also cheaper. Never in our entire history have we seen the ability to do cross-border transactions, payments, and deposits at a very, very fast way. Please remember that time and memorial, if you're sending money from Manila to the US, it would take days before it would arrive in your account. It would even entail you going to a mall for you to be able to send it and also for you to actually receive it. We now have Bitcoin that allows you to send your asset at a very, very fast way, cross-border, in a very, very efficient manner. But in the whole cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin is the slowest. Since it's doing a proof of work consensus mechanism, it's more expensive. And the Lightning Network makes it faster. The Lightning Network makes it cheaper. The Lightning Network makes it scalable. Transfers could be done in seconds. But what's so interesting about that is Strike, along with the Lightning Network and along with Twitter, now allows you to send money via Twitter, via the Lightning Network, via Strike, instantaneously and for free. And not a lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people are talking about the FUD. A lot of people are talking about the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that's caused by China. But what people don't see is what's being done by Bitcoin to help make lives bigger, to help make lives better for all of us. There's over 30 plus billion US dollars that's being remitted. That's a large amount of money. Imagine the savings that every Filipino household, every OFW would get when they start sending their money using the Lightning Network, using cryptocurrencies. Imagine their ability to be able to transfer without any fees. That I think is revolutionary. That I think is changing the game. That I think is changing the way we would live and see finance in general. Instead of focusing on the fear, instead of focusing on the uncertainty, instead of focusing on the doubt, focus on the technology. Focus on what Bitcoin is doing to make things better. Focus on how it can be a store of value, that it's easy now for anyone to have a chance to own digital property, to store value, to have something that they have full custody over, that no one can take it away from you. That's what Bitcoin does. If you're a hodler, if you're a long-term investor, and you believe in the technology, drops like this can be an opportunity for you to stack. Drops like this can be an opportunity for you also to buy it at a much lower price. Everyone wants to buy when it's exciting. And if you remember last April, last May, the prices were high, but everyone was buying. But if you notice it, the strength in all of this is when you buy it when it's cheap, when you buy it when it's low. You find something superior, you accumulate it, and you hold it over a stretched period of time. And that's what makes it very, very powerful. So what's my response to what's happening in China? It doesn't change the technology. It doesn't change Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. One Bitcoin equals one Bitcoin. One Bitcoin, comparing it to fiat, comparing it to the US dollar, drops like this allow you also to stack it at a lower price. Please remember that whatever China does doesn't change the technology. At the end of it all, Bitcoin is massive superior technology. Bitcoin is 1,000 times massively better than gold, and that's what you're getting into. But please don't buy it just because I talk about it here. Spend 10,000 hours to learn about it. Spend 10,000 hours to build the skill on what it actually is. Because at the end of the day, my conviction cannot be your conviction. Learn it, take the time, double down. This is Marvin Gurmo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.